Hello, what is up guys? Eman from Peso Smart PH here. Welcome sa panibagong episode. Shout out all the podcast listeners as well. I appreciate you all. Today, let's discuss yung mga February dividend paying stocks. Right, so let's get started. So yung una dyan is PSB, yung kanilang stock code. So common stocks ito ng Philippine Savings Bank. Sector nila is financials, mainly in banks. And then yung dividend payment, this is for the first quarter of 2024. Kasi itong PSB nagbibigay ng dividends every quarter. So, every 3 months. So, 4 times sila magbibigay this year. Dividend payment is 75 centavos per quarter. So, that will add up to 3 pesos per year. Yung ex-date is on Feb 1. So, ang kailangan nyo gawin is to buy a day before the ex-date para maging entitled kayo dun sa dividend payment na yun. Kasi minsan, baka magkamali kayo and bumili kayo sa mismong ex-date. And kapag bumili kayo ng stock na yun sa mismong ex-date, hindi na kayo maging qualified dun sa dividend payment for that particular period. So, sa next na kayo, mabibigyan. Then record date naman is Feb 2. Then payment date is Feb 19. Yung current market price ng PSP, kaka-review lang din natin itong stock na to, 55 pesos and 65 centavos. Then yung dividend yield niyan is 1.35% quarterly. Then it will add up to 5.39% annually. 5-year average dividend yield is 5.44%. So medyo mataas siya. And yung 5-year average payout ratio is around 63%. The next one, meron tayong preferred stock ng Megawide Construction Corporation. Yung stock code is MWP2B. Yung sector nito is industrial, mainly in construction, infrastructure, and allied services. Then yung dividend payment naman is 1.4375. So this is for the first quarter ng 2024. Kasi quarterly din nagbibigay itong preferred stock na ito. Ex-date is on Feb 6. Then record date is on Feb 7. Payment date on Feb 27. Current market price is around 98 pesos per share. So medyo steep yung price niya. And then dividend yield is 1.46% quarterly and then 5.86% annually. Next one is common stock ng RFM Corporation. Stock code is RFM. Sector nito is industrial, mainly in food, beverage, and tobacco. Dividend payment is around 7 cents or 7 centavos. Ex-date on Feb 6. And then record date on Feb 7. Payment date on March 5. So, yung mga ganitong stock talaga na medyo mas matagal yung kanilang turnover rate. So, di ba kita nyo? Ex-date is Feb 6. And then, mababayaran pa kayo the following month. So, mag-aantay pa kayo ng 1 month before nyo makuha yung inyong dividends. Then, current market price is 2 pesos and 90 centavos. Dividend yield nito is 2.55%. But this can potentially go up pa. Kasi the past 2 years, 2022 and 2023, 3 times sila nagbigay ng dividends. So it's possible na this 2024, ganun din yung gawin nila. Then yung 5-year average dividend yield is 4.55%. So that's good enough. And yung 5-year payout ratio is 57.2%. And tingnan natin dito yung kanilang mga dividends. So 2024 nga, isa pa lang yung na-declare. So this has an ex-date this Feb 6. And then kita nyo nung 2023, January, June, and October, meron silang binigay na dividends. Then 2022, same thing. January, July, and September. Then twice naman since 2016 to 2021. So we'll see this year, this coming month. So potentially, since Feb, mas late sila ng 1 month nag-announce for this year. Kasi 2022 and 2023, January sila nagkaroon ng ex-date. So probably it's gonna be around June, July, or August yung next. If ever man magkaroon pa or mag-declare ng additional dividends itong RFM. The next one, preferred stock ulit ng Cirtec Holdings Philippines Corporation. Yung stock code is TCB2A. Sector is industrial, mainly in electrical components and equipment. Then ito pala, nagtitrade itong stock na to in USD or United States dollars. So dividend payment is quarterly, around 2 cents. Feb 21 yung kanyang ex-date. Then record date on Feb 22. Mababayaran kayo on March 8. And yung current market price is 68 centavos for this particular preferred stock. So medyo mababa siya. So mataas yung yield actually nung stock na to. 3.35% per quarter. And then annually, it's around 13.42%. Although pag kami mga ganitong preferred stock, medyo may risk din kasi pwedeng ma-recall na, no? Or i-buyback na nung company yung mga preferred stocks. Kaya nagkakaroon ng ganitong price drop. Kasi pagka binili naman yun sa mga current holders yung preferred stock na yun, kapag kinol na siya, ang ibabayad pa rin is yung issue price. So magkano mo originally kinuha nung hindi first trading day. Kasi magsusubscribe ka dito sa mga preferred stocks na to before pa siya ma-trade on their first day. So yeah. I haven't researched myself, but you have to be careful sa mga ganitong preferred stock. Kasi nga, yes, ang taas. Attractive yung yield, but you're not sure if tatagal pa ba sila in the next 5 years. So yeah, you have to check that out for yourself. Then Cirtec ulit to, preferred stock, and yung stock code is TCB2C. Same sector lang naman yan. Yung dividend payment, ito in peso na siya nagtitrade. So 82 centavos quarterly. And then ex-date is on Feb 27. Then record date on Feb 28. Then mababayaran kayo on March 14. So yung current market price is 48 pesos and 95 centavos. So ito medyo normal yung kanyang yield. 1.68% quarterly and then annually 6.73%. Other Cirtec preferred stock, TCB2D naman ngayon. Same sector. Dividend payment is 96 centavos, so almost 1 peso per quarter. And then ex-date on Feb 27. Record date on Feb 28. And then mababayaran kayo on March 14. Yung current market price naman ng stock na to, ng preferred stock na to, is 48 pesos and 55 centavos. And then yung dividend yield is 2% quarterly, so mas mataas siya. Then around 8% or 7.98% annually. Then last one kay Cirtec, preferred stock ulit to, TCB2B. So, ang daming preferred stock nitong company na to. Same sector again. Dividend payment, again, nasa USD ulit to or United States dollars. So around 2 centavos or 2 cents quarterly. Ex-date on Feb 29. So ito yung pinaka-late. And then record date on March 1. Payment date on March 18. Yung current market price is 80 cents. So wala pang $1. Yung dividend yield nito is 3.13% quarterly. So medyo nagda-dump din itong stock na to recently. And annually, ibibigay niyang yield sa'yo is 12.5%. We're down to our last two stocks. So preferred stock ito pareho ng Petron Corporation. Yung stock code nitong una is PRF3A. And then yung sector nito is industrial, mainly electricity, energy, power, and water. Dividend payment per quarter again, since usually naman itong mga preferred stocks, quarterly talaga nagbibigay ng dividends. And then may ilan lang na biannually or twice a year. So 17.17 pesos per share. Ex-date on Feb 29. Again, last day ng February. Record date on March 1, then payment date on March 25. So matagal din yung turnover rate nitong Petron. Current market price is 990 pesos per share. Then yung dividend yield na ibibigay sa inyo is 1.74% quarterly, and then annually naman 6.94%. Then last but not the least, another Petron preferred stock. Yung code is PRF3B. So same sector lang yan. Yung dividend payment is 17 pesos and 84 centavos per quarter. Then yung ex-date Feb 29, record date on March 1, and then payment date on March 25. Yung current market price is 990 pesos din. Although mag-iiba ng konti yung dividend yield, 1.8% quarterly and then 7.21% annually. So yep, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Tingnan natin yung sources. We have PSC Edge, we have BPI Trade, and Unsplash para dun sa mga background photos. And then natin yung episode here, guys. Sana may natutunan kayo. Thank you very much for watching and listening. I'll see you all in the next one. Always remember, be Peso Smart.